Welcome, here I've got the iPhone 12 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the settings button to open them. From here let's slide down and pick the camera. Here we have access to some advanced camera settings and the scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. You can do it by putting them inside your camera app and you don't need any other app to do it when you have this. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.